guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and here I am again with the voiceover type video. Let me explain. So my editing software broke and I had to reinstall it, and also my Sunday was very busy and hectic, so I didn't have enough time to film, and so that's why this video is getting out late, which I am so sorry for. So anyways, today I am going to be giving you guys the results for week 6 in PTGT, and this week's theme was Perspective Week. I got so many amazing photos this week, and yeah, we are missing several people this week, but hopefully for the finale, which is next week, we will have everybody. But yeah, so let's go. Okay, so the first photo today is from the model Amber Lily, and her photo will pop up right here. Now, Amber Lily, I love how you did the little mirror idea. I think that's such a cool idea, and if you edited the picture in the mirror, you did a good job editing, like I can't even tell. And I also really love how it looks kind of like a mysterious vibe, even if you weren't intentionally going for that vibe, but it feels like that kind of, and it's really fun to look at. I love how you got creative, and the photo is really nice and crisp, and the doll's outfit is super cute. Now, the things I'd have to say about this photo is that there is a ton of hair in her face in both the versions of her, so just try and brush that out. And also, maybe turn up saturation and maybe add a vignette, which is where you add like the little black sides to it. But overall, you did an amazing job, and your score this week is going to be a 7 out of 10. So the second photo this week is from the model Blair, and her photo will pop up right here. Now, Blair, I love how you did it outside. It's very colorful, and the photo isn't dark. Her hair looks tame, which is good. Now, the only things I'd have to say about this photo is that I'm not really sure what a leaves perspective is, and I googled it, and I don't think it's anything. Let me know if it is, but it just looks like looks like a straight on view, which isn't bad, but that's not the theme. So I wish you would have done something different, like maybe worm's eye view or something, if you wanted to do like a perspective like that. So I don't really know what you were going for in this photo. Please let me know, but maybe you could have done something a little bit more creative instead of just having her in a tree. But it's not a bad photo, but it's not the theme. So I still really love this photo, so please don't be offended, but your final score this week is going to be a 4 out of 10. Our third photo this week is from the model Valentina, and her photo will pop up right here. Now, Valentina, I love the idea. I love how the water bottle is actually doll-sized, and I love how you did a size perspective. However, I feel like you could have added some more stuff to make it more visually appealing, maybe like on the floor, in the background, maybe given her a different outfit. And also, maybe you could have positioned the water bottle's tip right above her hand, and then maybe edited a drop on as if it was dropping onto her hand. I feel like that would have looked really cool, but I still love this photo, and overall, I think you did a good job. So your score this week is going to be a 6 out of 10. Our fourth photo today is from the model Cecile, and her photo will pop up right here. Now, Cecile, I love how you did a bird's eye view, and I love how it looks like you put the viewer into a scene of your model's life, and I love how she's reading a book on her bed. I think that's a super cute detail. I love the detail of her petting her dog as well. I think that looks so cute, yet maybe you could have done some more things around the bed to emphasize it was a bedroom or something. Also, it looks a bit yellow, so maybe take it at a different time of day or by a window, or maybe just edit it a little more. But overall, you did an amazing job, and your score this week is going to be a 7 out of 10. Our fifth and final photo today is from model Bella, and her photo will pop up right here. Now, Bella, I absolutely love this photo. The colors are so pleasing to look at, and the colors like on the dolls match, like the peachy, and I would say this is very aesthetic. I love the grain. However, I don't see how this is a perspective really, but I totally see what you were going for. Maybe you could have had the other doll on a staircase and then have your model's hand under her feet as if she's on her hand. And still keep the same idea you had, but I still think you did a good job, and it's a very pleasant photo. However, I just feel like it doesn't scream perspective to me, but your overall score this week is going to be a 7 out of 10. Okay guys, so now let's hop into this week's theme and deadline. And by the way, this is the very last theme since next week is going to be the finale, so everyone do your best. Okay guys, so this week's theme is going to be, drumroll please, Complimentary Colors Week, badoo! So, I'm sure all of you guys have heard of Colors Week, where you pick a color, make your whole photo that color, blah blah blah. Well, no, that's not what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm doing 2 colors. Wow. Okay, so this is a colors wheel, or a color wheel. Yes, a color wheel. This is a basic color wheel, and if you look at a color, say example, you're looking at purple, right across from it is yellow, so that means purple and yellow are complementary colors. So I want you to pick a color on the color wheel, look at what color is across from it, and make your entire photo those 2 colors. Say you want to do your whole photo red and green. That's a complementary Colors Week photo, so congratulations! yeah, hopefully I'm explaining this well. I'm probably not. You're probably really confused right now. Just ask it in the comments. I'll get back to you because I'm bad at explaining. Yeah, I did come up with this theme, by the way, and I'm kind of proud of it. I'm a big kid now. Woohoo! So yeah. So that is the theme. So the deadline is going to be July 18th, this Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is lunchtime. Please, please, please get it in by the deadline or before the deadline. That would make me so happy because we have a very important guest judge, and if you don't want the video to be late, please turn it in by the deadline. So please do that. But yeah, so if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love talking to you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!